India's real estate market has always been a symbol of growth, prosperity, and investment potential. But recently, the sector has hit a major roadblock. From falling sales to rising unsold inventory, many are asking, what's going on with the real estate market in India? Today, we'll dive into the current slump in India's real estate market, uncover the reasons behind this slowdown, and discuss what the future holds for buyers, sellers, and investors. In recent months, India has witnessed a sharp decline in real estate activity. From Delhi to Mumbai, Bengaluru to Pune, developers are facing difficulties selling properties, and the inventory of unsold homes is rising. Real estate prices are stagnating, and in some cases even dropping. Sales have significantly slowed down, and there's a growing number of under-construction properties that remain unsold. So, why is this happening? There are several key reasons contributing to this downturn in the market. First, rising interest rates. As the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, increases interest rates to control inflation, home loans have become more expensive. This discourages potential buyers who are now wary of taking on heavy financial burdens. Second, high inflation. The cost of construction materials has skyrocketed, pushing builders to increase property prices. But for buyers, this means homes are becoming increasingly unaffordable. Third, uncertainty in the economy. Global factors like the ongoing geopolitical tensions, inflationary pressure, and a slowing economy have made people hesitant to invest in real estate. Everyone's waiting for things to stabilize before making a big purchase. Now let's talk about another crucial factor, the rising prices of basic necessities. Over the past year, the prices of essentials like food, fuel, and household goods have gone up sharply. This has put an enormous strain on the monthly budgets of salaried employees, especially in the middle class. With the cost of living climbing steadily, families are finding it harder to save money for major expenses like home purchases. Disposable income is shrinking, which means people simply cannot afford to invest in real estate, even though they may have hoped to do so. Additionally, many middle-class individuals are now prioritizing the essentials like food, education, and healthcare over long-term investments like buying property. This is further reducing the demand for homes in the market. Now, what does this mean for developers and investors? For developers, it's a tough time. Many are struggling to finish ongoing projects due to a lack of buyers. Some developers have even had to cut prices and offer discounts to attract buyers, but this has not been enough to move the inventory. Investors are also feeling the heat. Many who bought properties with the expectation of price appreciation are seeing their investments stagnate or even lose value. This is a far cry from the double-digit returns they were used to. While many were hoping to get into the market with lower prices, the high interest rates and inflation are still keeping them on the sidelines. The dream of owning a home is becoming a distant one for many. Renting, however, is gaining popularity. With many people holding off on purchasing properties, renting has become the go-to choice for those looking for stability without the commitment of home ownership. So, what does the future hold for India's real estate market? While the current slump is challenging, experts believe that it may not last forever. As the economy stabilizes, we could see interest rates soften, making home loans more accessible again. Additionally, the government is likely to implement measures to boost the housing sector. Affordable housing could be one bright spot in this slowdown. With more focus on budget-friendly housing, there's still potential for growth in this segment. Plus, Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities might continue to see some development activity as people move away from crowded metros. So should you buy property in India right now? For potential buyers, it might be a good time to wait until there's more stability. However, if you're looking for long-term investment and can afford to wait out the slump, some areas could still offer growth potential. For investors, it's important to be cautious and understand the market dynamics. Don't rush in. Focus on high-demand areas and properties with a clear long-term growth trajectory.